Okay, so this is standard 3, the law of conservation of mass, and it just talks about how mass is conserved even if it goes through a chemical reaction. And mass is basically each of these atoms equal a little bit of mass. They all have an atomic mass that is on the periodic table, and they all add up to a total mass over here that has to be equal to all the mass over here. So just the way we look at it is we say all the atoms on this side of the equation, which this side is called the reactants, all these atoms have to also be over there in the products. So in order to see if this is a balanced equation, we've got to look for the atoms. So we have one carbon atom over here, and we have one carbon over here. So we cross that out. And we have 3 oxygen atoms over here. And so there's 2 there, and then the third one's over there. And then we have 4 hydrogen atoms, so we cross those out, and there it is. There's 4 hydrogen there. And we have 1 Na, or a sodium atom, just right there. And then we have 2 chlorine atoms there, and we cross them out there. So we see that is balanced. When substances change physical states or undergo a chemical reaction, no atoms are lost or destroyed. So molecules are either created from the available atoms, or they are separated or broken apart. So usually in a chemical reaction, both things happen. So here we have NaCl, sodium chloride, and it's broken apart in this chemical reaction. The Na combines with the oxygen, and the chlorine combines with the oxygen also. So we have 2 new molecules. Each of these are molecules. And on this side, we have different molecules. So we have an H2O molecule over here, but on the other side of the equation, it's just, there's no H2O anymore, but those atoms have combined and bonded with other molecules, with other atoms, to create different kinds of molecules.